What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a great and fabulous day. Like usual, at the end of this video, if you enjoyed what you've seen, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I know I say that at the end of the videos, but I'm going to start saying that at the beginning of the videos as well. I know a lot of guys, and I actually said this in the last video I made, a lot of guys have not been getting notifications and stuff, and I want you guys to be able to get those notifications and be able to see the videos that I'm coming out with, and I'm sure you guys are going to be interested in another 4L60E build right here. So we have a nice little 4L60E. This one came out of a Trailblazer SS, if I recall correctly. I've built a lot of 4L60Es over the years, and this is just another one, basically, just another 4L60E. So we're gonna speed it up, take this thing all apart, and then we're gonna go over the different pieces and look at everything and see what went wrong. If I remember correctly, this individual's problem was the very common 3-4 clutches in the back of the trail. Actually, they're not in the back, they're like right about here or so. Very common issue, 3-4 clutch packs get smoked in these things, and they destroy the tranny basically. So we've got all kinds of cool, nice little parts over there, and we're gonna go ahead and pull the pan and pull everything else apart and see what she looks like inside, guys. All right, as you can see, the pan's not that dirty. It's actually pretty nice looking. Filter's kind of yucky looking, but everything else seems okay. So let's continue tearing everything apart. Body's off. Always remember that you have check balls in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there should be one underneath this plate as well. So we're gonna carefully pull all those out and not lose them because they're kind of important. Like so. Make sure you remember, at least take a picture of where all these check valves go, guys. That way you don't get them mixed up. The nice thing is once you take the picture, you can take these remaining ones and just go right in there like so. Lock up O-ring. Two 4 servo. Two 4 band. All right, so we got the entire inside of the transmission done except for the rear drum. We'll do that here when we clean everything up, change the bushing and the seal, or actually just change the bushing back there. We have all of our parts on the table, valve body, pan, pump, all that jazz. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take all this apart, check the clutches inside, and hopefully we find those burnt 3-4 clutches that I was talking about, and that be the culprit. All in all, this is not a bad transmission. It's actually pretty good. It's not terribly destroyed, so hopefully it all kind of works out here, and this will be a pretty simple, fast, easy build. Well, as you can see, they are damaged. Hopefully you guys can see that, but they are damaged. They're destroyed. 3-4 clutches, and they're coned too. Look at that. They're coned out. If you guys can see the coning of the clutches, they're destroyed. They're done-zo. But that's okay because we have new clutches and everything for this. So that's not that big of a deal, honestly. Guys, the drum's not too bad. A little bit of cleanup. There is some dirt in there, as you guys can see, and not too bad. Some of the clutches in here are a little hot. The 3/4s, like I said, were burnt to crisp. You can see some of the heat there. These were pretty bad too. They were smoked a little bit as well. We're gonna clean this all up, put everything back together, clean it up really nice, and we'll start installing all of our new parts and hopefully get this thing back together here in a few hours. Now that we got this drum torn apart, we're gonna replace all these old seals here. As you can see that I actually took out of here. We're gonna replace them with brand new seals. These are kind of a pain in the butt to put in, but after you clean up the drum, make everything look nice and pretty again, they're not that bad, if you have the right tools to do so. So let's get that done. All right, now it's valve body time. Drilling out all these holes here, doing the valve body nice and cleaned up. We got the bell housing on, pumps in, all that's done. Got our first case body plate on here, or not our plate, our gasket. And we should be good to go. So let's start drilling this plate out. Alright guys, take notice to where these check balls are in this valve body here, and the position of the valve body in case you guys want to use it as a reference. But this is the correct location to the valve body check balls in the valve body. We're going to be using some blue grease to stick these down as we turn it upside down to put it onto the transmission and bolt it down for its final assembly. Alright guys, the tranny is done. Unfortunately, I have to go get a different filter because this is not the correct filter that I ordered. I actually need a plastic one, and we'll bring this one over here and let you see it real quick. If you look at them side by side, this one here has a corner, that one does not. So we need to take this one back and get the right one, but other than that, Trenny is 100% go. Oh my God. Trenny is 100% done. All assembled, oh my God. All assembled and ready to go. Just gotta slap that filter on, go ahead and bolt the pan down, and she's ready to go, guys. If you enjoyed the video, do me that big favor, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and deuces, guys. The hell was that? Oh my God. Unbelievable. This guy right here, he's nutso.